Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin an online classes of standard 5th mathematics with your teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Dear students, today in the lesson Unit 3 Multiples and Factors, we will see what is the factor tree method and what is the division method of prime factorization. In the previous session, we have learnt about prime factorization method of the numbers, and today we are going to discuss about factor tree method and division methods of prime factorization. In the method of prime factorization, today here we will see factor tree method. Let's take the composite number 12. Now we break 12 into two factors. See the figure. First write 12, then circle the number. Take the two lines because every time we will find the two factors of each. So break the 12 in two factors, 2 and 6. Now 2 is the prime number, so leave it as it is. 6 is a composite number, so we will again break 6 into the two factors. So what are the factors of 6? 2 and 3. So again draw the two lines and then in the circle write 2 and 3. Now see here, the factors of 6, that is 2 and 3, are the prime factors. So our factor tree method completes the steps. So what are the factors of 12? 2, 2 and 3. A prime factorization will contain no composite number. Means in the prime factorization method, whether it is of any method you are finding out, only prime numbers are there as a factors, not the composite numbers. So here the prime factors of 12 are 2 and 3. In the second method, that is division method, let us take the composite number 36 and divide it by the smallest possible prime number, that is 2. So here we will divide 36 by the prime number 2 and write quotient 18 below it. Again we divide 18 by the prime number 2. The quotient is 9. Now 9 is not divisible by 2. So we will take the next prime number and the next prime number is 3. So we will divide 9 by 3. So the quotient is 3. Now again divide 3 by the prime number 3. You will get the quotient 1, and here you have to stop until and unless you get the quotient as 1, and therefore the prime factorization of 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Remember, we start dividing by the smallest possible prime number and keep doing this same till we get 1, and at that point we have to stop the division. It is very easy method, my dear students, to find out the prime factors of the given number. Dear students, today we have learnt about the factor tree method and the division method of finding the prime factors of the number. So, based on that, here is a small assignment for you to check your understanding, and I hope you will try to solve it. Thank you. Have a nice day, dear students.